It's F.A.Q.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take up. Bad man, me a coming.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing the long-awaited, the highly requested room tour. This may be my last time staying in the barracks, so this will be one of our Army Barbie farewells, I guess. I have 6 months left here in Germany, and when I show you guys this room, please don't think that if you come to Baumholder, Germany, you will get this room. This room is especially made for E6s, E5 promotables, E6s, but my unit has doesn't have enough space in the barracks, so all the E5 promotables and E6s were moved out of the barracks. So I wanted the room, and I was looking up to get the room, but it's not a norm. E5s do not usually get this kind of room. But don't forget to thumbs up this video, leave a comment, and also subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you can know when I post a video. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. Okay, you guys, so this is a basic overview of my barracks room. We're gonna start in the corner, and then we're gonna work our way around. So as soon as you walk in, to your left, I have my little nightstand, which has just, you know, some of my stuff charging and some of my products that I use, and also a lot of laundry detergents. And down here is my candle collection. I have my vacuum. I bought this from the PX. It's pretty low quality. It was pretty cheap, but it gets the job done. Then coming over here, we have my TV. This is a 75-inch Samsung 4K TV. Then you do get issued two of these drawers if you get this room in the barracks, but I put it together, and that's what I use as my TV stand. Then coming over here is my little office area. Okay, I have my vision board where I write down all my goals. If you guys want to see a video of how I created this vision board, I'm going to leave it down below. It doesn't have to be this fancy, but I do believe that it's important to have a vision board. Then we come over, this is my little office area. I have my iMac, I have my laptop. This is my little office area. This is where I do all my schoolwork and all my you know, digital work. If you guys would like to order an intro, I'll leave my website down below if you guys are interested in that. Then I just have some, you know, a subby made me this recently, and then a subby also painted me this, but this was years ago when I was at Fort Campbell. So I still have it. I'm gonna have it until I die, basically. So that's that. Ooh, ice cream guys outside. So right here is my little makeup desk. Hey guys, I look cute. Period. This is my little makeup desk. I got this. You guys always ask me where I get this vanity from. I got this vanity from Impressions Vanity. It's also dimmable if you want to dim it, you want to do it this way, whatever. It's from Impressions Vanity on Instagram. It's kind of expensive, so yeah. This desk. Bless me. This chair. I know you guys are gonna ask where I got this chair from. This chair is from a German store called Poco, and this desk is from a German store called Poco. Let me see if I can. Has all my little makeup in there. That's from a German store called Poco as well. These acrylic organizers over here I purchased from Primark. They just hold my little makeup. I have my little have my wedding ring here. You know what I'm saying? Cause yeah. I have my little perfumes, and then this I ordered from a female on Instagram. Her name is God Tart Artist, something like that, and it was very expensive, so I don't know about that. Got my Haitian flag because you already know Zogang. Then this is my bed. I believe this is queen size. I'm not too good when it comes to knowing sizes of beds. This room does come with a couch. When I did get this room, we had all new furniture, so thank God, because I don't want to be on nobody's used couch. Also comes with a love seat, but this is where I put my AC, because if you don't know, Germany doesn't have AC, so I bought one of these at the PX for about $2 something, and then you let the tube go outside the window, but you have to like cut it off kind of with cardboard so the hot air can get out. This is basically, god damn. Yeah, this is basically what it looks like. It lets all the hot air out, and then that's that. Then you also get a kitchen area. It's not really a kitchen like how we had in the last duty station. It's not like that. Got some stuff up here. It comes with a microwave. I did buy this slow cooker, and I also did buy this Ninja Foodie Deluxe. Comes with drawers and just basic, I gotta wash dishes, just basic kitchen stuff. Then you come over here, you have a whole fridge. This fridge was brand new when I received it. Yeah, I ain't see that. Basically, so we got, this is my favorite part about the fridge. It has a little bottle holder. So that's what I got in my fridge. And down below is the freezer. Got some crab, a lot of junk, and that's what it for the fridge. And you know what I'm saying, got my little shopping list. Up here is more stuff, but I'm too short and I can't really reach it, so I have to use a chair. Then coming over here, hey guys, you guys always ask me about this mirror. I got this mirror from IKEA. Okay, over here, don't mind the clothes right here, y'all. I really don't have anywhere to put it. Sorry, but I had to do this video anyway. So this is my filming area. If you guys see my last two videos had a certain background, it's because of this green screen right here. So if you guys are interested in purchasing a green screen, just go to Amazon and type in green screen, and literally all you get is the fabric. You get the fabric and you post it on your wall. You have to have good lighting because the background has to be like really well lit. You make sure your background is really nice and well lit, and then when you go to edit your videos, that is where you put whatever background you want, but you need to have the green screen to be able to do that. So that's that. Moving on to my closet. My light doesn't work right now. If you guys can see, my light doesn't work, so that would defeat the purpose. But in my closet, this is my favorite part about my room because I never had a closet this big the whole time I've been in the army. But this room also does come with a bookshelf, but I use it for my glasses and some hair products, some like excessive stuff that I have. But it's kind of dark, so I really hope that you guys can see this well. But I have my shoes up here. That black bag right there is some clothes that I purchased that I need to return, but the company is not trying to give me their shipping address. So I might just keep it or I might just sell it, whatever. But yeah, so I got some dirty clothes on the ground, not on the ground, but these little hampers. I have a lot of hampers because I have a lot of clothes. This bag right here is what I'm donating to the thrift store tomorrow. Then right here we have all my shoes. The shoes that I use, common, like, you know, my most common shoes. Then when you leave the bathroom, you arrive, then when you leave the closet, hi, look at that fat boot. Then you arrive to the bathroom. You hear that music outside? What the hell? What the hell going on outside? All right, you guys, so this is my bathroom. Basic tall shower. You know, my bougie ass gotta have a towel with a J on it. Hi guys. I got my wigs drying and I have a lot of products. I already know you guys are gonna say it. Comes with a little sink. And a towel rack. You see guys, in my last room tour, I didn't know what that what this was, but now I know it's a towel rack. You know, just a basic bathroom, nothing really too special, but I got some of my favorite hair products and favorite products here. I got this on my hair today. I just bought it actually like yesterday. And then I got this one too. Hopefully these impress me because I have not been impressed recently, but that's really it. This is literally my room. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tour. It's not big. It's big, but it's not like as interesting as my other one was, but hopefully you guys enjoy this. So that is it for my room tour, you guys. If you guys are on orders to Baumholder, Germany, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what unit y'all going to, etc. I do have videos of, ooh, let me fix this. I do have videos of the other barracks. I'm gonna link that down below for the e-form below that are coming here, so they can know what to expect, because you're probably not gonna get this room. But so that is it for today's video. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.